Did you know there's a melon out there that can practically work miracles on your insides? It's called Ash Gourd, and it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. This humble gourd is like a superhero for your system, flushing out toxins and giving your body a total reset. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out excess water weight. Right, let's be honest, I love a good burger and fries as much as the next person. The crispy fries, the juicy burger patty, the melted cheese. It's comfort food at its finest. But as delicious as it is, indulging in these treats too often can take a toll on your body. But lately, I've been feeling a bit sluggish, you know? Waking up in the morning felt like a chore, and I found myself yawning through the day, struggling to keep my eyes open at my desk. My energy levels were low, and I just wasn't feeling my best. I'd come home from work and collapse on the couch, too tired to do anything productive. Looking in the mirror, I could see the toll it was taking on me. Dark circles, a dull complexion, and a general sense of dissatisfaction. So I decided to try something different, a 7-day Ash Gourd Elixir detox. I'd heard about the benefits of Ash Gourd juice, how it could boost energy levels, improve digestion, and even help with weight loss. That's right, for a whole week I swapped my usual morning cuppa for a glass of this green goodness. Every morning, I'd blend up fresh ash gourd with a bit of water and lemon and drink it on an empty stomach. I was a bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. The idea of drinking a vegetable juice first thing in the morning was a bit daunting. Would it taste good? Would it be filling enough to keep me going until breakfast? But I was determined to see if this magic melon could really live up to the hype. I wanted to feel more energetic, more vibrant, and more alive. So I took the plunge and committed to the 7-day challenge. And let me tell you, the results were nothing short of amazing. We all know that our modern lifestyles aren't exactly kind to our bodies. The hustle and bustle of daily life, the constant rush to meet deadlines, and the never-ending stream of responsibilities can leave us feeling drained and exhausted. Processed foods, stress, and lack of sleep can take a toll. We often resort to quick fixes like fast food, which is convenient but not always the healthiest option. The stress from work and personal life can keep us up at night, leading to poor sleep quality and a vicious cycle of fatigue. I was curious to see if giving my body a break with this natural detox could help me feel more energized and healthy. I had heard about the benefits of incorporating natural ingredients into my diet and wanted to see if it could make a difference. So I decided to take the plunge and try a detox regimen that included Ash Gourd. Ash Gourd is known for its ability to cleanse the liver and kidneys, which are essential for removing toxins from the body. These organs work tirelessly to filter out harmful substances, and giving them a boost with natural ingredients can be incredibly beneficial. It's also said to improve digestion, boost metabolism, and even clear up skin problems. By aiding in digestion, Ash Gourd helps the body absorb nutrients more efficiently, which can lead to better overall health. A boosted metabolism means more energy and a greater ability to burn calories, which is always a plus. I was hopeful that it could help me feel lighter, brighter, and more energized. The idea of waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day was incredibly appealing. I imagined myself enjoying healthy meals, feeling more active, and seeing a noticeable improvement in my skin. This journey was not just about a physical transformation, but also about finding a sense of balance and well-being in my life. The first day was definitely the hardest. I woke up feeling groggy and unmotivated, almost dreading the day ahead. My usual morning routine of brewing a strong cup of coffee was replaced with a strange new ritual. I missed my usual coffee, and the Ash Gourd Elixir tasted, well, different. It was a stark contrast to the rich, aromatic coffee I was used to. The elixir was watery and had a peculiar aftertaste that I couldn't quite place. A bit bland, if I'm being honest. It lacked the comforting warmth and flavor that my coffee provided. I found myself longing for that familiar taste, but I added a squeeze of lemon and a few mint leaves, which helped. The citrusy tang and refreshing mint made it more palatable, and I started to think that maybe, just maybe, I could get used to this. I felt a bit tired by the afternoon, but I powered through with a big bottle of water. Staying hydrated was key, and I made sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep my energy levels up. Woke up feeling surprisingly good. The second day was a pleasant surprise. I felt more rested and less sluggish. It was as if my body was starting to adjust to the new routine. Still miss my coffee, but the elixir was starting to grow on me. The taste was becoming more familiar, and I found myself looking forward to it in the morning. I had more energy than the day before, and even managed to squeeze in a quick workout. It felt good to move my body and break a sweat. The exercise seemed to boost my mood and energy levels even further. Started noticing a difference in my digestion. My stomach felt lighter, and I wasn't experiencing the usual bloating after meals. Things were moving along more smoothly, if you know what I mean. It was a relief to feel more regular and less weighed down. My skin also looked brighter, and I felt less bloated. The changes were subtle but noticeable. My complexion seemed clearer, and I had a healthy glow. Energy levels were consistently up, and I felt lighter and more alert. It was as if a fog had lifted, and I could think more clearly. I even found myself craving healthier foods, which was a nice surprise. Instead of reaching for chips or sweets, I wanted fresh fruits and vegetables. This was a big day. I felt a sense of accomplishment and pride in sticking to the detox plan. I realized I hadn't touched any chocolate or crisps all week. It was a significant change from my usual snacking habits. My cravings for sugary snacks had completely disappeared. It was liberating to feel in control of my food choices, feeling fantastic. The sense of well-being was undeniable. My clothes were fitting better, and I had a newfound spring in my step. I felt lighter, both physically and mentally. I was sleeping better and waking up feeling refreshed. My sleep was deeper, and I woke up feeling more rested. The final day, the end of the detox, was in sight. I couldn't believe how quickly the week had flown by. It was a transformative experience, and I felt a sense of accomplishment. I felt like a new man, energized, healthy, and clear-minded. The detox had not only cleansed my body, but also rejuvenated my spirit. I was ready to take on new challenges with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. So the big question is, did the Ash Gourd Elixir live up to the hype? In a word, yes. I was amazed by how much better I felt after just 7 days. My energy levels were through the roof, my digestion was improved, and I felt lighter and less bloated. Not only did I experience the detoxifying benefits I was hoping for, but there were also a few unexpected perks. My skin was glowing, my hair felt stronger, and I even noticed a difference in my mood. I felt calmer, more focused, and less anxious. This experience taught me the power of listening to my body and giving it the nourishment it needs. It also reminded me that sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective. I learned that detoxing doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It can be as simple as incorporating a natural ingredient like ash gourd into your routine. Absolutely. If you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or just in need of a reset, I highly recommend giving the Ash Gourd Elixir a try. It's a simple, natural, and effective way to give your body a break and boost your overall well-being. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new detox or dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. But if you're looking for a natural way to support your body's natural detoxification process, Ash Gourd Elixir is definitely worth considering. Here's a simple recipe to try. 1 cup ash gourd juice, extracted from grated ash gourd, half a lemon, juiced, a few mint leaves, and a pinch of ginger, which is optional. Combine all ingredients in a glass and stir well. Drink on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Most importantly, pay attention to how your body feels. Everyone is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Adjust the recipe to your liking, and don't be afraid to experiment with other healthy additions. The key is to find what makes you feel your best.